Hello all and welcome to Triad Solution. Let's see another topic as Power BI report server. In this module, we'll be seeing how can we create a scheduled refresh plan, how can you modify it, and how can you view the status of a scheduled refresh plan. So these are the topics where we are going to cover in today's session. Let us see how can we schedule a refresh plan or view and do some modification. So before seeing into C, let's see where we can find the refresh button. So we have once we have got the data from the data set, which is through Excel, and the data is loaded, and how the refresh button works. So in Power BI, updates data from the connected Excel files, both local and on cloud basis, on an hour basis. So to manual refresh the data set, in the model ribbon, we have an option called refresh. Once we click on this refresh button, the data gets updated. So let us see how to create a scheduled refresh plan in the report server. So the steps to create a scheduled refresh plan is in the web portal. Once you click on the right click on the Power BI report, and you need to select manage. Once you select the manage, you on the left hand side you have an option to get click on schedule refresh. Once you click on schedule refresh, there is an option where you can go with the new scheduled refresh plan. So once you click on this new scheduled refresh plan, you can see an option over here to create a schedule refresh plan. So in this thing where you need to give a description and set a schedule when you want to your data module to be refreshed. So once you click on the description and the specify some time and the date and click on the create schedule refresh plan, then the reflection plan is scheduled. And in case if you want to modify, so in the same manner on the Power BI report server, click on the manage. Once you click on the manage, select the schedule refresh and the one which you have created for the schedule refreshment plan, you can see that. On that, once you click on the edit schedule refresh plan, where you can either change your description or set a schedule plan when you want to the data module to be refreshed, and click on apply. So this is how where you can create a schedule refresh plan and do some modification going through it. Next, how can you view as we have seen for the edit base. So in the web portal, once you right click, we click on the manage and click on the schedule refresh plan, and where you can see as here the data is been updated with the description and a schedule plan. So this is how where the schedule plan occurs. Schedule refresh plan can be done where you can create, modify and view it. So let's connect with the other topic in the next session. Thank you all.